In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run code using the terminal in VS Code. So first, make sure you're in the right folder. And for Python code, make sure you use .py in saving your file or choose the file type as Python and save it. And also make sure that you download Python on your PC. And also inside Visual Studio Code, open up the Extensions tab. And here, download an app called Code Runner. So as you can see, it can run different type of coding languages. So make sure you install it. Then next is open up your file. It could be your Java code or your Python code. Then next is click on this down button beside the play or run button. And here, click on Run Code. VS Code will then instantly show you the output of your code. It's basically the same with Java. All you have to do is do the same process in running your code. And if there are no errors in your code, it should run properly inside VS Code. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!